Hey YouTube, Jay here with FCP Euro, and this is another really quick product review. Here in front of us we have this time belt kit. This is an OEM kit on our website. It includes a Continental time belt, OEM tensioners, and idler. The brand on this is INA. If you look at the genuine Volvo component, you're going to see that INA is the original manufacturer. This is a water pump, OEM, comes with the gasket and all the bolts to replace it. This kit fits the P2 models, so your S80, 99, 06, S60, 01 to 09, V70, 01 to 07, XC70, 03 to 07, and XC90, the 5 cylinders. Volvo from the factory does not mandate you to change this water pump at the time belt interval, and it's a good reason to do so because this water pump is driven by a bearing. It's about 2 hours to get to, I want to say. And basically if you replace the timing belt and you do the idler and the tensioner, there's still potential that the bearing on this water pump will fail in the future. So it's a good idea while you're in there. It's literally 7 bolts and a gasket just to replace it. Since you're removing your water pump, you're going to want to replace the coolant. Chances are that if you haven't replaced it by now and you're doing a water pump or timing belt replacement, the coolant is probably original in your car, or it's time to change it out anyway. So naturally this kit will include 3 liters of brand new coolant. It's 100% concentrated. You're going to want to dilute this with the equal part of water. Make sure you use distilled water, not regular tap water. This belt is required by Volvo to be replaced, depending on the year range, every 105,000 to 120,000. In my opinion, I recommend replacing this a lot earlier. Typically 80,000 would be the max I would personally go. Reason being, this is a time belt. It links the top of your engine to the bottom of your engine, and if this is the brake or any of these components start to fail, you're going to have catastrophic failure. Typical signs of failure: if you inspect the belt, you will see there's some cracking. If you have any type of cracking or glazing, or on these particular engines, the camshaft seals will start to leak. So if you have any oil contamination, definitely not a good thing. You want to replace that belt. Also, you may get some type of pulley squeal from either the idler or the tensioner. Tough to see, but when the tensioner is on its way out, you can look at this oil seal here and you'll see grease starting to pop out. Also, not a good thing. When grease is starting to pop out, it's on its way out. And like I said before, catastrophic failure. You don't want that. Last but not least, if you haven't done this job before and you're a little intimidated, we do have a DIY video. Just click the link above and you'll see myself going through the entire job, and I'll give you a little bit of confidence and show you exactly what the job entails. All right guys, this has been another really quick product review. If you like what you see, don't forget to comment in the box below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.